Hello, I'm home. Welcome to this week's video. Fresh on the heels of a very nice vacation. If you follow me on social media, I posted a lot of pictures of the trip, the family in France. It was spectacular, although Europe was going through a pretty incredible heat wave during that time, and we kept watching the news, and they were mentioning how in Spain and Portugal it was over 105, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and central air is not all that common, so there was a lot of concern for the elderly. And so I hope all my European friends fared well during the summer. I know a lot of you had some brutal heat to contend with, not just in Europe, but in different parts of the world as well. So yes, a very interesting summer weather-wise nonetheless, but it feels good to be home in the AC and up on the third floor. As you can see, Audrey is with us today. I've had a lot of you ask me, where's Audrey? Why is she not in the bathroom? And I was a little concerned because I had candles on the bottom and then the bathtub, and I figured either by water or fire, Audrey would not suffer a good fate. So I decided to hang her on a wall where she belongs. And I've got another little set up here, which is great. And it leads to today's video because this is the perfect place to do my back to school giveaway. I know a lot of you are either getting ready for school yourself, or you're a mother of a student who is getting ready for that early morning wake up call for carpool, or even a grandmother. My mother helps out quite a bit. So I really want to loop everybody in. I know that we can all be very much involved in this process when we say goodbye to summer, hello to fall, and we transition into schedules and homework and carpool and lack of sleep. So in that vein, I wanted to do a giveaway that I think sort of crosses all boards here. I'm hoping there's something for everybody. I love to shop for you. You can clearly see where I went shopping, and I have so many wonderful things to share with you. So let's open the goodie bag, shall we, and see what we have. A lot of different products, by the way, some of which I featured here on this channel. There's one thing that's new, and I saw this in Sephora, and I could not believe how ridiculously fantastic it was. So let me start with the biggie first, and it weighs a ton. So if I have to do some international shipping here, I'll be paying a pretty penny, but don't worry, it's worth it. It's worth it. And by the way, this giveaway is open internationally. This is such a great kit. It's by Smashbox. It's called Knockout Neutrals Masterclass Palette. You get 10 photo edit eyeshadows, 6 Be Legendary lipsticks, cheek highlight and contour powders. Your whole face is covered in this thing. It's a $212 value, and it's just genius. So I want to open it up. Well, I hate doing this, but I have to show you. I have to show you how great this thing is. So you can tell it's brand new, and I will wrap it up again the way it came. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So let me come in for the extreme close-up here, and you can see all these different colors. Like I said, the eyeshadows, the cheeks, the lip. There is something for everybody. It is beautiful. I love it, and I figure if I love it, you gotta love it too. But yeah, I mean, amazing. All for the most part matte colors, maybe a few shimmers, but I mean, I could wear every single color in this palette, and I think it is phenomenal. So anyway, kudos to Smashbox for really kind of knocking it out of the park with this one. Like I said, I've never seen a kit that has so much. So you really and truly are covered with this, and I hope you like it, because it is a part of the giveaway. And I will repackage this after the video. In the name of brevity, let's move on. The next thing is, goodness, my personal favorite. I couldn't live without it. I had to buy myself one today because I was out of it. And it is the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This just works. It is a great setting powder over any foundation, any skin type. It's their best seller. There's a reason why. And it's something I've tried different loose powders because I like to experiment and I want to see if there's something else out there worth mentioning or something even better. But time after time, I keep going back to Laura Mercier, this translucent. So I got you one of these and I got you the big face puff that goes with it so that you can apply this powder over your foundation. Next up, of course, there had to be a hair product. And of course, it had to be by Living Proof, of course. This is Instant De-frizzer. And I figure on the heels of summer, we've all been in the sun. Look at me, I'm almost blonde here. But we all have had sun exposure for the most part, or water, and our hair tends to get a little bit dry by the end of the summer. This is a great product by Living Proof. You just simply spray it on and it immediately adds shine. It tames any frizzies that you might have. And I also have to confess, I have far fewer frizzies, say that 3 times, since I've done that Brazilian Blowout Express. I have had 2 Brazilian Express treatments, and for the first time in my life, I went on vacation and I did not have to blow dry my hair. I let my hair air dry, the waves were intact, but I did not have the French poodle look that usually comes with it. So I could not get over how great that was. And even with a Brazilian treatment or any type of hair straightening treatment, something like this is great just to tame those few flyaways, a few frizzies, a few dry hairs, whatever. And Living Proof, you know, they just continue to make great products. So there's that. And next up on the list is a product that I have used, and it's by Benefit. It's called the POREfessional Pore Primer, and a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. And I included this. There's so many different primers out there, many of them smooth, some provide moisture, some provide a matte finish, all go underneath the foundation to create a smooth, flawless complexion. But a lot of us, as we get older, tend to find our pores getting a little bit bigger. So I've had many of you ask, what do you use to help minimize the appearance of pores? This is a great product. So it goes, first thing, you moisturize, you then do your primer, and then your foundation. And this really, really helps to bring it all together, to make it matte, and to minimize the appearance of pores. Last but not least, and it did not come from Sephora, but it just made sense to stick everything in the same bag. And that is caffeine. Yes, a $50 Starbucks gift card is yours as well, because I don't care where you are, whether you're the student or the mother of the student, you're gonna be tired and you're gonna need some coffee. And so I have 3 in the morning. That's just what makes me tick. But whatever you need, I've got you covered here with your Starbucks gift card. So there you have it. That's everything, and I will repackage it nicely and neatly for you. But I really hope you like this collection. Like I said, this Smashbox Knockout Neutrals was a knockout. So that's kind of the focal point, and then it sort of trickles down from there. So if you're interested with what I'm showing you, it is so simple to be able to enter this giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, and there's this little button bottom right, says subscribe. You can just click on that and you subscribe to my channel, which means every time I release a video, which is every Thursday at 1 p.m., you get a little email in your inbox saying, hey, Dominique has released a new video, come check it out. That's it. You don't have to pay for anything, nothing obnoxious, I promise. And then I'm going to keep this giveaway open until next Wednesday, the 22nd at midnight. And then I will announce the giveaway winner on my Thursday video of the following week. So my fingers are crossed. I hope you like it. I hope you enter. I love that you subscribe to my channel and the content here speaks to you, and me too. And so I am thrilled. I am thrilled that you're here. I am ready for back to school, I think. And yeah, with my coffee, I'll be ready for anything. And I wish you a ton of luck. So please enter this giveaway. Please continue to follow me on social media, Instagram, my brand spanking new Facebook account, all kinds of fun stuff there. So like the pages, follow me there. Let's continue the conversation. I'm very active. I try to answer as many questions as I possibly can because I do respect the fact that you are reaching out to me for information, and I hope I have it for you. So fingers crossed, go out, be bold and be blessed, and let's see who the winner is. Bye.